Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how we can send SMS using Jasmin SMS Gateway. So Jasmin SMS Gateway is an open source SMS gateway. It can receive SMS via SMPP and HTTP protocol and pass the same SMS to the upstream provider using SMPP protocol. So for any kind of Jasmin SMS Gateway installation support, you can always reach out to me on this at this Gmail address as well as this WhatsApp number. So now, actually, we need these three things in order to get Jasmine SMS gateway fully functional. First of all, we need one Ubuntu 18.04 or 20.04 Linux box. You can also use CentOS. Then we need to install Jasmine SMS gateway on this Linux box with the web GUI. Without the web GUI, it will be a little bit difficult to manage the users and to send SMS. Then we need to have a SMPP or HTTP connection actually to terminate the SMS. So now assume that we have already installed the Jasmine SMS gateway with the web GUI. So now we need these three things to trigger SMS from the Jasmine web panel. First of all, we need one SMPP or HTTP connection. Then we need to create user and a group. Then the user must be tagged with that group. Then we need to create MO or empty route to ensure our SMS termination. So now jump to the backend. So this is Ubuntu server. As you can see, the version is 18.04 and I have already installed the Jasmine SMS gateway along with the web panel on this server. So let me show you the status of Jasmine the service. So this is up and running. Now let's take a look of our Jasmine SMPP panel. So let me log in. Yes. So we have here SMPP client creation panel, HTTP panel, user panel, groups, filters, empty routes, MO routes. We have single message compose panel. From here we can compose single message, and we have also bulk SMS panel. So from this bulk SMS page, you can upload the CSV and trigger the bulk SMS. So first of all, we need to create the SMPP. So let me name it as a demo, and the host should be the IP address of your SMPP upstream provider. So I am actually putting the IP address of my SMPP provider here. Then the port, in my case the port is 1220, and the username. Okay, and then password. And then the source address. The source address here actually referring to the from number of the SMS. So my SMPP provider actually provided these two source address. So the SMS will be delivered from either one of these numbers. So let me add one number here as a source address, and then let me add. Okay, so the SMPP upstream provider is added here, but as you can see the status is not green, so let me start it. Okay, so the status is green, so it's connected. Now we need to create one group. Let me name it as group creation done, and then we need to create a user and bind that user with that group. As you can see, it's already taken the group name. My user is full and say password is bar. Okay, so we have already created the SMPP connection, we have created the group, we have created the user. Now we are actually at the last stage to create one empty route. So there is many options, so we'll keeping the default one, say rate is 00. So this SMPP connector is actually we have created earlier, so that's why it is available on the drop down. So just select it and then add it. Okay, so it's added. So now we are ready to trigger SMS from this Jasmin web panel. So let us first trigger one single SMS, and to show you the SMS delivery, I have already connected my mobile, Android mobile, with this PC. So open it in this way so that you can check the delivery status as well. So now let us compose. So I have to put destination number, so I am putting one of my real destination number. So on this number the SMS will be delivered. So the test, we say test SMS. Username, we have already created the username, foo, and password is bar. Now trigger the SMS and let's see the delivery status. So it's showing success, so the SMS should be delivered. Yes, so it's delivered on the mobile number. Let us check the number. Yeah, as you can see, this is test SMS. Okay, now let us trigger some bulk SMS from the bulk SMS page. So we can upload the CSV here. Okay, the same username password. Okay, so here, so I am triggering 5 SMS on the same number, and let us do one more thing, that at the last number let us change some value, so to check whether it can detect that this is not a valid number. Okay, okay, so let us upload it. Okay, it's uploaded. Now we can trigger the bulk SMS from the panel. So as you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 SMS already triggered, and all of them are success, and the last number is actually our panel has detected that it has invalid value, so it's not triggered. And on the other hand, you can see that already 5 SMS is already delivered to the number. Let us check. You can see that 3 SMS came from this number and 2 is another number. And if you want to check the contents, then SMS 145, so the 2 and 3 from this number. Okay, so That's all for today, and thanks for watching. And for any kind of Jasmine SMS gateway installation support with the web GUI, you can reach out to me at this Gmail address as well as this WhatsApp number. So thanks again.